Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, today we will begin with a very new chapter from our annual syllabus, which is Limericks, written by Edward Lear, who was an English artist, illustrator, author, and poet. He is widely known for his literary work in poetry and prose, and especially his limericks, which became very popular. Now, students, do you know what is limerick? A limerick is a type of poem, usually very silly and are fun to read and write. Limericks are those poems which are patterned in 5 lines. So, in each stanza, there will be 5 lines in A, B, A pattern. So, now what is B, A? A means the first 2 lines will be rhyming. BB means the second 2 lines will be rhyming, and again A means the fifth line which will be rhyming with the first 2 lines. Alright? So, first 2 lines will have a different form of rhyming, second 2 lines will have a different form of rhyming, and the last line again A will have rhyming as that of first and second line. Alright? So like this A, B, A pattern, each stanza will be composed. This form of poems are known as limericks. So in this poem too, we would find such patterns, where we will be following a B, A pattern in each stanza. So let's start. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren have all built their nest in my beard." So this is the first stanza. What is it? There was an old man with a beard. Okay. So what is a beard? Beard is the facial hair which men grow in their chin. You can see in the picture itself an old man who has got long beard. So there was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared." So what is he telling? He is telling that he was scared of. I feared means I thought fearfully of, means which I am thinking but I am scared of thinking. So the old man is telling that it is just as I feared. It was there in my head. I was fearing that this would happen. I was scared that something like this would happen. What would happen? 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren. All these are birds. 2 owls and a hen. You know, owl and a hen. Lark is a kind of small bird, and wren is again a songbird. They have all built their nest in my beard. So what had happened? Why was this old man scared? As all these birds, all these owl, hen, larks and wren, all these birds have built their nest in the old man's beard, and that is why he was worried about. Okay. So what are nests? Nests are the place where birds reside, where birds live. Okay. All these birds, what did they do? They built their nest in the old man's beard. So it was definitely a matter of getting scared by the old man. Okay. Student, just imagine if somebody builds a nest in anybody's beard and starts staying there. Okay. Somebody makes the beard a living place. Okay. It's a matter of getting scared. So this old man with this long beard is telling that it is just as I feared. It is just as I thought fearfully that these birds will make nest in my beard, and that only has happened. The birds did build their nest in my beard. Okay. So what are the birds? 2 owls, a hen, 4 larks and a wren. So altogether 8 birds. Okay. 8 birds are nesting on the old man's beard. Okay. So this is the first stanza. Now let's move to the next stanza. There was an old lady of France who taught little ducklings to dance. When she said tick-a-tack, they only said quack, which grieved that old lady of France. Alright, so this is again altogether a different story. There was an old lady of France. In our first stanza, we have studied about an old man. Now it is an old lady who lived in France, who taught little ducklings to dance. What are ducklings? ducklings are the small kids of ducks. Okay, so this old lady of France taught these ducklings to dance. Okay, when she said tika tack, they only said quack. But students, can ducklings dance? No, not at all. Ducklings can't dance. Now students, do you know what is the sound of a duck called? It's quack. You know, each and every animal produces different kinds of sounds. Okay, and the sound produced by a duck is called quack. So when the old lady said tick attack is the beat. Okay, whoever of you dance, you will be knowing that these kinds of beats. Okay, so she's telling the birds to dance on the beats like tick attack, but these ducklings are unable to dance. So what are they doing? They are just calling out quack quack. How are they calling? Quack. So which grieved the old lady of France. Grieve means sad or making someone disappointed or unhappy. So what happened? The old lady is trying to make these birds dance, but they are not learning. They are rather calling out quack. So this is making the old lady grieved. She is very sad about it. Okay, why? Because she's giving her full effort to make these ducklings dance, but these ducklings are unable to dance. So this is why she is quite sad about it. Okay, now third stanza. There was an old man in a tree whose whiskers were lovely to see, but the birds of the air plucked them perfectly bare to make themselves nest in that tree. So here again we find a new story. Okay, there was an old man in the tree. Now students, do people live in trees? No. But since it is a funny poem, the poet has used such funny things. Okay, students, one more important thing about limericks is that these poems are generally funny. Okay, so there was an old man in the tree whose whiskers were lovely to see. Now what are whiskers? Whiskers are actually the facial hairs or the mustache which most of the animals have. Okay, you might have seen also animals like cats, dogs, lions. Almost all these animals have some hairs between their nose and their mouth. Okay, those hairs are called whiskers. So there was an old man in the tree who was having mustache. Okay, but the poet in a very funny way has called this mustache as whiskers. Okay, and these whiskers were very lovely to see. They looked nice, but the birds of the air plucked them perfectly bare to make themselves nest in that tree. So what happened? The birds had plucked all of those whiskers. Okay, the birds had taken away all of them. The birds thought that those whiskers are really very funny and something which could be plucked. So what did they do? They plucked all of the mustache, and the man's face was empty without any whiskers. And what did they do with those whiskers? The birds, they made a nest for themselves, okay, using those whiskers. Okay, so students, that was all about the poetry. So students, in this poetry we find various unusual things happening, okay, which are not at all possible in reality. But since it is a limerick, it is possible through the poet's imagination. Okay, so this is all about the poetry. Hope you all have enjoyed it and understood it. Thank you.